In today's video, we are going to show you how to redo Edpuzzle questions, especially if you made a mistake on Edpuzzle assignment and want to redo the questions. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Hover to the left side panel of the dashboard and click the My Classes. Go to your assignment, for example, this one, okay? So here, click the video and then try to answer as much as you can. Play the video first because there are questions along the way. Now, one open-ended question is requiring an answer. For example, we are choosing this right here and click the next question, and you have multiple questions after that. So I am going to choose the first one. And for example, along the way, you realize that the first question you answered incorrectly. All right, so what you're going to do instead is very simple. Okay, click the rewatch button again so that you will be reverted back to the beginning. All right, now here, remember, you have the ability to rewatch. Okay, so we have been sent back to the beginning. Now here, of course, I'm going to let's say I am going to change my answer. So I'm going to put in a different answer earlier. Click the next question. Here, I am sure that the first option is going to be the right question and click the submit button. Okay. Now, once you are happy, you always double check your answers before finishing the video because some Edpuzzle assignments only allow one attempt. Okay. If in that case, you might need to ask your teacher to reset the attempt. Okay, because once it's reset, you can redo the assignment from the very beginning and click the next question. Here, I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to click on continue. And after watching the video, it will be graded after submission. Click the submit button. And there you have it. That's how you redo Edpuzzle questions. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.